Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to discuss about Pancake, as recently this crypto pumped and now it's retracing back. This was about 100% pump. Let's have a look on this crypto, where we are, and is it really good investment in compared to the other competitor or not. At the time of recording, we can see it is at the rank of 83 with around $700 million market cap. We can see around 78% of this coin is in circulation, and it had about 83% inflation from the last cycle all-time high. What we can find here about the market cap and circulating supply. Circulating supply has increased from the last cycle all-time high, but still this 84% inflation is not that huge in compared to the other project in the market. This project has a great volume, around like almost market cap size volume in the last 24 hours, and the TVL also on a DeFi Llama is increasing. This is a good point for this crypto we can see. About the BTC pair, this is a new feature we added to the crypto perspective. We can see it is in one of the lowest level for this crypto. Let's have a look on the longer view to see what we can find. Okay, on the Pancake for bull market support band, we can see we are just recently pumped to the bull market support band, and now we are coming back to testing the bull market support band. Therefore, its entry, it become even just jumped from the entry. What I mean jumped, because when usually we invest on this crypto, we prefer to start to accumulate when it is under one. Around in this area we are accumulating, and when it is above the one, it's not a good time to accumulate, or we can say the return on investment is going to be lower. This is the point we have to consider for different cryptocurrencies. Because of this jump, because of this bouncing, the return become lower. That's why we have to just consider this kind of pullback or retracing back to the lower level. Like the previous time, it had this rally coming back, this rally and then coming back. It can happen again, and be aware of this point as well. In terms of the inflation, with the comparison to the other project, we can see Cake had around 83, Uni had around 14%, and the Sushi 92, and Radium, the DEX on Solana, had 333% from the last all-time high. About the annual performance of this crypto, what we can check here, it's the last cycle post-halving year to see on 2021. This one, the performance, and on 2025 is not going anywhere, and we just came back to the same level of the opening price of the year, and 1.02 is the ROI with respect to the current price. Then, is it a really good investment? We can find it here to have a DCA on this crypto from the 1st of June 2023 till now, almost 2 years, about 689 days. If we spend $10 a day, we could accumulate around 3,508 cake at the average price of $2.20. The current price of this project is $2.37. Then we are not that far from the all DCA price point. If this project can manage to go to its all-time high, what we can expect to see? For Pancake, we can see here was the area for the all-time high, retracing back, creating form of the bottoming in the market. It depends to the macroeconomy situation. I'm expecting to bounce for all the project, but of course this is depend to the macroeconomy. Then this one, the drawdown from the all-time high was minus 94.5%, and now just the recovery required to the all-time high is around 1,700%. But when we remove this 82-83% inflation, to see the real all-time high, which is the same market cap as the previous cycle, we can see around 876%. The real all-time high for Cake, it is about $23, but the all-time high for the project is $44. It's different from the let's say the real all-time high, because here we are removing this circulating supply from the market. Is it really saving the USD value? We have to find it here, yearly performance, to see where is our lowest price point. This is the lowest price point we can see, apart from 2023, which had like a $2.63 per Cake. The lowest price point is stable or similar. We can check it on the logarithmic to see in terms of the percentage. It's not bad, to be honest with you. It's not that bad in compared to the other crypto. Here we are comparing every 2-3 days. Okay, now let's talk about the comparison with the other competitor to see the market share, where we can see this project in the future, if they can compete with each other. Pancake and Uniswap. If Pancake can go as high as the current market cap of a Uni, we can see it can go as high as $13, around 450%. In compare to the Uni all-time high, it can go as high as $77, and it has the potential of 3,150%. I'm not saying it must go, but this is the potential. In economy, we have something called it as a market share, and how this project can fit itself in the market. The market for the main competitor was around $22.5 billion market cap, and this crypto, if it goes to that market cap, we can see around this $77. Of course, it depends to the situation of the circulating supply for this crypto, how much inflation this crypto can have in the future. About the price prediction for this crypto, what we can find, these are for Cake. We have these 5 price prediction based off 2 models, and based off the inflationary model and the current without inflation. The maximum target I'm expecting, if it happened like a proper bull run, market just bounce, we see the money rotation from the Bitcoin to the altcoin, then I'm expecting to see for around this dollar. This is the max. I'm not expecting to see go as high as 400. If you want to be like a conservative for the bull run, around $23 also is a good return on investment on this project. Then what will be the situation of the market cap? This is the situation of the market cap for Pancake based off these 2 model. For based off the $23, we can see around around $7 billion market cap. This is still small project. We can compare it with the Uni. Okay, this is the market cap for Uni. This is all-time high, and we can see it is much smaller than the market cap of Uni in the last cycle. Then let's compare it with this 3 other competitor in terms of the percent to the all-time high. We can find it here in terms of the percent to the real all-time high. The biggest one is sushi around 2000%, then Cake with 874%, Uni 490, Radium 343. In terms of the inflation, also we had a look. The smallest one is for Uni, and then for around 83-82% for Cake. This is the general update for this kind of project. Of course, you can find this kind of information on my channel. I have 2-3 videos a day. I'm trying to keep you updated about the project. You can use this application on cryptopective.com to see how is the situation of the crypto you would like to invest on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and see you in the next video. Peace out.